Hi everybody, I am your Prasad. Now we are going to cover insertion sort algorithm. Here we will going to cover insertion, first sorting definition, then how many types of sortings are there, a small example, an insertion sort algorithm and its program, practical part also. Right, full SMS question we will going to cover. You may ask insertion sort algorithm or insertion sort program, or in short marks question what is insertion. Three questions we will going to cover now. See with a cursor I am explaining. Generally sorting means arranging the elements. Why we need to do that? We will arrange the elements in ascending or descending order, then we will do some binary search, then search a element and take it, fetch from the RAM memory, and it will be doing some operation. Then softwares will be designed, addition, subtraction, arithmetic and logic operation will be done, and then softwares will be designed. So that is the objective of sorting and binary searching and extracting the elements from the array. Right, now we are going to cover the basic things. Sorting means arranging elements either in ascending order. Ascending means small to big. Increasing order, see I wrote here increasing order or small to big, or in descending order. Descending order means I wrote here big to small or decreasing order. So right, very simple. A sorting algorithm is used to rearrange. We will arrange it again in a given array or a list of elements. For example, he has taken 2, 1, 4, 3. Right. For example, if you write, I will show you. Very simple. Int a of 4 values have taken. Those 4 values are 2, 1, 4 and 3. Right, semicolon. These are the random values he has given, not in sequence, not ordered. So this is called unsorted, unordered list. So that will be sorted. Arrange, sorting in ascending order. See here, very simple. Arrange, sorting in ascending order. Now here we are going to arrange sorted in descending order, decreasing order, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very small examples. Now different type of sorting techniques we have. Sorting algorithms or sorting techniques, sorting programs are bubble sort, insertion sort, selection sort, and merge sort, quick sort, counting sort, right, radic sort, bucket sort, heap sort, shell sort, and so many other sorting techniques also there. If you search in Google, if you do googling, you can find many more, but in our syllabus we are having only these three. Bubble sort algorithm is already over, selection sort is over. Now we are going to cover insertion sort. Right, very simple. So here the theory is insertion sort algorithm. Right, very simple. Inserting the elements, that's it. Bubble sorting means bubbling the elements and checking, comparing side by side values and arranging. Right, and selecting sort means we will select a number, small number out of all numbers. Small number we will select and we will do it. See, I will show you previously. Bubble sort means we will bubble element and we will check with the others. Selection sort means we will select a small number or big number. That I already covered in my previous video. Just telling according to meaning. Insertion sort means putting the element. Right, that is now we are going to cover. Don't by heart the subject, understand what it is. Right, see with the cursor I will explain. In insertion sort, elements are arranged by inserting elements, putting, nothing but inserting at particular position of the elements. So according to definition, particular position means small to big. Right, with example it will be clear. Right, 3 is smaller than this, we will insert here. So 2 will be inserted here. Particular position it will be inserted. The left side value should be less and the right side value should be greater. In that way we need to insert the elements. Next, with the black pen I wrote for your eye catching purpose, easily understanding purpose. Insertion sort is a simple sorting algorithm. Simple sorting algorithm that works similar to the way you sort playing cards. See, playing cards we will play now in your hand and you will arrange. Similarly it will be arranged. The insertion sort means arranging elements, execute execution example, a small example he has given. 4, see with a marker I will show you. 4 3 2 1 5 6. So we will see, take the second element and we will compare with the first element. When it is small, it will be inserted in the first position. Similarly, we will take the third element and we will compare with these two elements, and it is small, when it will be inserted here. And we will take the next fourth element and we will compare, and it will be inserted. Next remaining elements, same like next element, it will compare. If it is big actually here, so it will be keep as it is. Same 6 also big, it will keep as it is. So I will remove all those. So it here, see at the end it is arranged in ascending order, right? So nothing but increasing order it has arranged. Now see the algorithm. Algorithm very simple, a step by step English representation of the program. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4 write with the black pens, and the explanation write with the blue pen. Very simple. First compare the second element to the first element. First we need to take the second element and we need to compare with the first element. If it is small, and move insert at the first place. Step 2, now compare the third element to the previous element and do the same. Step 3, now compare next element, fourth element, to the previous element. When the value is small, insert the current position. So correct position you need to insert just like this, and this will be inserted here, right? So similarly, step 4, repeat step 3. We need to repeat the step 3 until all the elements are arranged, right, in ascending order. Generally we will do ascending only, increasing order, then the algorithm will close. At the end you can write stop also. At the starting you can write start also. Step 1, start. So some steps will be increased. You can write in your own words, no problem. At the end, step 5, you can write stop also. Right, now we'll check with one more example, so it will be easy for you. Right, insertion sort execution example. See here, very simple. So here the second element will be taken and compare with the first element. It is small, it will be inserted here. Third element will be taken, it is small, it will be inserted here. And fourth element, it is big, it will be keep as it is, bigger than these things. Then it's the next element, 12th element is bigger than this, it will be keep as it is. Then we will take 1, when it will be compared, it will be smaller, so it will be inserted at first position. Then we will take 5th one, when it will be compared, it will be inserted in this position, because the left side value should be smaller and right side value should be greater. Next we will take last element and it should be inserted here. Similarly if we do at the end, the finally sorting element in ascending order, right, increasing order, small to big, it is arranged. So this is called insertion, inserting, right, inserting. So the according to meaning it will be completed. Now we will see the program also. If you get, this is a full SMS question. If you ask only one at one place, you need to write all the things. Very simple. Now I am telling with cursor. See, C program for insertion sort. Hash include std.h for printf and scanf. Hash include conio.h for clear screen, and right, this clear screen I'll write with a marker. We'll take blue marker, clear screen, and last get ch. This conio.h is for this and this, right? Very simple. Now void main, void means returns nothing. Main program starts from here. Hash include preprocessor, stdio.h standard input output header file. Console input output header file is this. stdio.h consists printf and scanf functions. Print format and scan format functions. Printf is output function, scanf is input. It will store the values. Here I wrote int, right? Int void main. So int integer data type I have taken. Array of some 100 values, maximum taken n I j temp. Temporary value used to exchange, swap the values. N is the size of an array, I is the increasing array values, and j is one more for loop increasing values. Very simple. So clear screen. Here the previous values will be created. Printf, enter the array size. First we need to enter array size, that will be stored in scanf %d ampersand n. So this green color box I made with this green color box. This will be stored here. Comments, single line comments, n is the value or size of the array. So very simple. Similarly, next to this part is second box with green color is printf enter %d integer is equal to /n means next line it will be printed. For this /n means new line, line. So this value will be printed, and if n has taken as 3, will take small number, so this n will be here. So enter 3 integer values. When you enter 3 integer values, it will be taken 3, some 5, some 1. Similarly, it will be stored I of g, I is equal 0, I is less than 3, I plus plus. See, I will remove my writing, I plus plus. So with a cursor you can see it's moving, I plus plus. So scanf, it will stored %d with double quote %d comma ampersand array. So value is taken as array variable name as arr, nothing but array. Ampersand array means address of array, square brackets I, this is the array declaration. So that value will be stored. That's 3 values. So how many values you will enter, that many values it will be stored there. Now for I equal to 1, I is less than n, I plus plus. So it will be checked the greater number of the next element. So we are using while loop, we can use for loop also. J equal to 1, this is initialization or assigning value 1, while this is a condition, j is greater than 0 and end. It should be both satisfy, both condition it should satisfy. Array j minus 1, j minus 1 means next element is greater than array j. So the first element will be compared with the second element. When it is greater, it will be moved, and in a temporary value it will be taken, and we will compare with the next element, and it will be moved in the temporary values, and the values will be decreased to next value, and it will be compared. Next value it will be decreased and it will be compared until it will be arranged at the end of array size. See, with a cursor I am explaining. N is the array size. So like that it will be in the continuous loop unless the value is sorted. So finally sort list in ascending order. So here I will write with the sort list in ascending order, increasing order. For I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, printf %d. Here we need to give some space so that the values will be given spaces here, right? Very simple. Now here first this value, right? Enter array size, 5 as entered. Now enter 5 integer values, enter 5 integer values. Those 5 entered are 3, 7, 2, 9, 5 entered. Now sorted list in an array. So 2 is small, next 3, next 5, 7, 9. So it will be arranged like this. If the program is asked, you need to write this. If algorithm is asked, you need to write in your own words with the examples. This is the definition. Write neatly in the exam. Prepare well. In the software companies also, C language is very useful, right? So for your best future and for your exam preparation, I am doing like this type of videos. Very simple. See, DevOps is also very demanding subject, right? 100% placements is there, very booming. Next time I will do on DevOps videos also, right? We'll try with practicals also, right? All the best for your future and good luck.